Hello, I will show you how to install Classin on your MacBook. First, you can go to the URL and input this link. It's www.classin.com and download to this page. So here you can see there are two options. One is the Intel processor, another one is for the Apple Silicon. Classin for Mac. So I will choose Intel processor, and it's downloading. Oh, it's down here. Okay, I've just clicked it, and it's down here. So now I will install it. Double click this setup file. Now you can see that I will drag this Classin icon to applications. It's installing. Let's wait for a moment.等一等，请等一等。Almost done. 哦，好了。咚 ，Did you hear that? 你听到咚的声音了吗？Okay, I guess it's okay. Think it's ready. Let's go here. Sorry. Oh, this is a Classin. Do you see? You can see it here. I just installed it, and it shows here. Or you can go to the applications to see it here. Yeah, I can find it. Then now I will double click it and try to log in. Seriously? Now here maybe to the applications. The applications here, it's here. Double click it. It's bouncing here. Okay. Classin is an Apple downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you want to open it? Yes, I'm sure. Okay, now you can log in. And this is my previous information. And this is my By the way, this is our school's website. I'm a Chinese language teacher from MandarinChineseSchool.com. And you are also invited to sign up for one-on-one and one-on-two Chinese lessons with us. Thank you. 谢谢. Thanks for watching. 再见.